Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to change the bio in your Facebook page. So here my bio is Carpe Diem, and let's say you want to change that. I will share with you two ways. First, you may click it directly and then click edit bio and you may edit it. Okay, you may change this. Or another thing is that you may go to the three lines here on the left side, and then you go to settings and privacy here, and then after that click settings and then scroll down and look for page details. On the page details, you will see here the intro and here the bio. You may change it and change it. Okay, so that's how you change the bio.